Hello dear creative, you're welcome to today's class. Okay, in today's class I'll be teaching you on how to make a round pleats autogele using a fabric. Okay, round pleat autogele using a fabric. And the materials I have here, we have your silk material. This is a stretchy taffeta, 1 yard. I'll be making it of 1 yard, and a scissors, and we have a needle and a matching color thread. We have our wording. This is a soft wording. Okay, so if you come across the strong wording, you can also use it. And we have a measuring tape, of course. All right, let's get into the video. We'll be working with 27 inches for the head circumference. I'm working from the stretch part. Okay, 27 inches for the head circumference. Then the width is also 27 inches. Are you seeing it? 27 inches, 27 for the head circumference and 27 for the length. Okay, so we'll keep this on aside, and we'll be cutting our handle. Measurement for the handle, we'll be working with, you can work with 10 inches, you can work with, okay, we'll be working, this is the handle for the base. Okay, this is the handle for the base, and the measurement we'll be working with, we have here we have 7.5 inches, 7.5 inches. Okay, 7.5 inches for the length. Then the width, we'll be working with 4 inches for the width, 4 inches for the width. Okay, 4 inches. Then we'll now cut it. You fold it like this in 2 equal parts. Trim it. When you get to this place, you slant it. Okay, so I'll be taking all this to the sewing machine, sew it from this end down to this other end, and we'll be cutting this in 2 straps. Okay, remember this is a handle to the base, 2 straps for it. And the measurement for our rows, we'll be working with 8 inches for the 8 inches for the width, 8 inches for the width. Okay, 8 inches for the width, then 32 inches for the length, 8 inches by 32. Okay, so we'll be needing this in 2 straps, which is this 1, 2 in 2 straps. So we'll be keeping this aside. Then for each of the frame, each of the pleats on the frame, although I've sewed this, we'll be making use of for the each of the pleats. Okay, the pleats on the frame, we'll be working with 2 inches, 2 inches by, okay, let me start from the smallest one. 2 inches. Each of these is 2 inches. So it's on fold, it will be 1. Okay, when it's open like this, we'll be working with 2 inches for the width, 2 inches by 24 inches. We'll cut this in 2 straps, 2 inches by 24, 2. Then we have 2 inches by 21. We also have 2. Okay, then we have 2 inches by 28. We also have this 2. Okay, then we also have 32 inches in 2 straps, 32 inches in 2 straps. We have this in 2. Okay, and we have here 36 inches. We also have it in 2. Okay, so the total number of pleats we'll be making use of 6 and 10 pleats. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The total number of pleats we'll be working with is 10 in number. Okay, we'll keep this on aside. Now I'll be taking it to my sewing machine. I will insert my this. Okay, let's keep this on aside. Alright, the number of pleats, the number of fabric I cut for my pleats will also be the same number of wording I have here. Okay, and the same length. The 21 inches we cut, it will also be the same length with the wording. Okay, we'll be taking the same measurement with our wording. Okay, what is